And we're back, everyone. Today's video, well, we might be starting soybean harvest. We just got to finish up oiling all the chains on the header, put the snouts on the row crop header. For those of you that don't know, this is a John Deere 653A row crop header, and what it was another type of combine header that Deere made back in the 70s and 80s that could harvest soybeans, sunflowers, and sorghum, and it looked just like a corn head. We like it. We like the job it does, so that's why we use it. But it's also very, very high maintenance because everything is chains pretty much. So gotta get that done, and then we should be ready to test it out in the field today. And we also need to set our sieves and and everything else in the back of the combine here. And once that is set, once all the settings are set in the combine, then we should be ready to test. Everything's been greased on the combine. Everything's been checked. We also got to loop the chains on the side of the feeder chain on the side of the feeder house here, and then we should be good. Besides that, that's pretty much it. Snouts on the header. I'm going to put you guys on time lapse, and I'm going to show you me putting snouts on. Pretty simple. It is the next day. Ages ago, the beans are dry enough. We picked a pass last night and got them tested at our local co-op this morning. So we're going to get the combine out and this tractor on a wagon so we can get some harvesting done. But yeah. Machine's warming up. A little cold this morning. Line's hooked up. We're ready to go pick some beans. Exciting. We're out here harvesting. He's taking all the end rows off this field. This is just a small chunk. It's really part of that field over there, but we've kind of divided it up into kind of two fields now. The majority of our soybeans are over there. This stuff was planted a few days before that, so this is obviously first to go. But yeah, and here he comes down the Fun fact, this is actually the earliest bean harvest we've had in several years. I mean, let's see, well, last on the channel we did, so soybean harvest 2019 we did not do on the channel, but that was sometime mid to late October. 2020 was like first week of October, and last year we started in like the first few days, and then we got rained out till like the last part of the month. So this year it's the end of September right now, so we could probably get all of our beans harvested in September, which that'd be cool. Alright, well, I had to help him adjust a few things on the head. We're getting some plug ups on the end rows, and it turns out we just need to raise the snouts a bit. I mean, yeah, you're gonna run into stuff like that. It's a 40, well, getting close to 40-year-old, probably about a 40-year-old head. No, it's 30-some years maybe. I don't know. I don't know exactly the year on it, but it's an old head. It's had a lot of acres on it. Well, we haven't put too many on, but I'm guessing the old owners might have put a few on them, so yeah. Loads in that wagon, but not enough to take it up yet. I'm gonna hop on the four-wheeler, head back up to the farmstead. We are getting a pretty clean on the ground. We do have a few beans here and there. That's header loss, but out the back of the combine, pretty much have zero loss, so I think we're doing okay. Now, of course, these things are not the easiest to pick because these are green stem soybeans. We did get a frost last night into this morning, so that kind of helped, but it really isn't enough. There really isn't enough time for them to completely brown before we need to pick them, and we need to get them picked now because they're ready and don't want to wait. So, yeah. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.